London Underground are currently undertaking a crucial programme of work to deliver a world-class transport system for London. Supporting its infrastructure services with the most up-to-date track equipment is of paramount importance. Each track renewal process is meticulously project managed and planned to ensure a timely delivery to project sites whilst maintaining the highest levels of quality, safety and technical expertise. Plant is delivered from different locations and the order in which they travel is vital to the successful completion of the works. As part of an overall communication strategy, local residents and businesses are informed of the upcoming track renewals works. Often a school, college or university is identified as a suitable area to provide both site welfare and parking. With all the pre-preparation and due diligence complete, lorries carrying welfare facilities and generators begin to arrive on site. One by one, these are skillfully manoeuvred into position by a team of workers. Once in position, the welfare units and generators are enclosed within an acoustic eco-barrier to reduce noise pollution. As the last passengers depart the station, Signals and Power remove their assets and hand over the track so the renewals team can set about their task. Road rail vehicles remove the continuous welded rail and the track is prepared at regular intervals for burning by a team of welders under supervision. With the correct attachments fitted, plant is manoeuvred into place and the RLVs are then able to lift and remove the 9-metre section of track panels. This process is repeated over the length of the track. A crew of workers then carefully load the old rail sections into rail carriages ready to be taken away. With the aging track sections now removed, final preparations are made for bulldozers and heavy-duty plant to move in and remove the old ballast layer and partial foundation swap. Once this is removed, the surface can then be levelled and compacted using triple whackers to achieve a suitable bed to lay the ballast. A geotextile membrane is then manually rolled out at strategic points on the track and the compacting process is repeated in preparation to lay the concrete sleepers. A changeover of shift heralds the end of a productive first day. As daylight begins to fade, work continues unabated into the night. Under the glare of the floodlights, the track is continually prepared in advance of the next process to ensure the least amount of disruption to the tight schedule. With the renewal process now well underway, scores of workers, briefed by the site person in charge, carry out their collective responsibilities up and down the track to maximise the short working time available. The NTC or new track construction machine is capable of laying up to 12 concrete sleepers a minute. A large overhead gantry travels up and down the train, recovering stacks of sleepers which it then carries backwards and forwards to feed the ever-emptying conveyor. A final set of rollers move laterally to ensure the rails fit exactly into their housings. These are guided by an operator positioned in the belly of the machine. As the NTC machine moves forward, a hydraulic pusher descends to nudge each sleeper into the correct alignment. Once the NTC machine has laid its concrete sleepers, the fastening clips are manually tightened and welders are able to move into position. Final measurements are then carefully recorded before the track is cleared to allow access for the orbital ballast train to move swiftly into position. A final layer of ballast is quickly and effortlessly emptied before a team of RLVs move in to brush and level. A ballast tamper machine is introduced to simultaneously lift, align and pack the track ballast under the concrete sleepers. A final inspection is then meticulously carried out to ensure that the new track complies with the required standards in preparation for the sign-off and hand back to London Finally, one small but important task remains: the quality ride test. The track will provide a better ride quality with the potential for higher speed trains, a greater frequency of service, and a better transport system for London.